No, it was that deep. Yeah, I'm glad we didn't do that either. Yeah, up here. Yes. Oh yeah, what's his name?
This way.
No, go that way. Oh no. Oh no. He's coming right for me.
It's good. That's gonna go through.
Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Is he gonna clear that axle?
No traction, Bubba.
Too muddy. Too muddy.
Hold on, back up and turn hard right while you're backing up slightly.
Oh yeah, you're touching your drive shaft a bit on the back too.
Right, Dad. Turn
Just-
hard right. The other right? Yes, the other right. I'm looking in my rearview mirror. I got mixed up.
There you go.
It's really light on the front.
There you go. Yeah, you always say that.
I don't like it. All right, now turn.
Now hard
left.
left. You got it.
Stop.
Hard left.
Hard left and come forward.
No, he's gonna get off it and go to the other side.
Oh, he is?
He's touching the drive shaft
Okay,
on the
then
back.
go straight. Don't go that way. No. Straight, or you'll fall off a big hole here.
There you go. There you go.
All right, now turn hard driver.
Hard left.
Left.
No, you're good.
I didn't bend it.
No,
You're
it's
gonna drop
No, I just
now.
touched. Just kissed
You're
it.
gonna drop.
you're good. Woo! At about 2
right.
millimeters worth of enough
Careful.
clearance right there.
All right, stop. Turn hard right. Come forward.
He just trusts us what we tell him. He's like, I feel really like I'm leaning. I feel like I'm really light. I think
I like the right left better. I'm old.
Oh, good idea.
Yeah.
You got this. Give it some mustard and ketchup. Get up that ledge.
You got a branch stuck to your roof.
You're bringing the tree with you.
Kind of embarrassing. Should I gun it?
No,
You don't need to break a drive yet.
we're not rock racing.
I know. I appreciate you trying this.
Nice.
That's right where the